All I can say is YUNZII has been killing it with their keyboards. I've reviewed the HE75 and the AL80, and all I can say is they are two of my favorite keyboards, pre-built keyboards of all time. And now I have my hands on the AL68, and yeah, it just continues to impress me. I really think YUNZII keyboards are the best option for you if you want a custom feeling pre-built keyboard, because the price is just right. I feel like the prices of their keyboards should be a lot more than they are for the quality, but no, it's like super cheap for a custom feeling pre-built keyboard. Yeah, it's just, I cannot recommend this more to people who want a good feeling keyboard. I'm using the Milk linear switches. They feel like what I was expecting, super smooth, super clacky, definitely pre-lubed, and even the stabilizers, they are so consistent all around. Like, there's not one that feels bad. And it comes with a little knob here if you want to adjust your volume or mute your sound. And of course you got your arrow keys. So you pretty much have all you need if you want a 68% keyboard. And you got your tri-mode connectivity. You can do 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth or wired. So yeah, keyboard functionality wise, switches feel super clacky and good. Stabilizers are consistent all around. There's no problems with the keyboard. Of course, the keyboard is also hot swappable. So if you don't really like the feeling of your switches, you can always swap them out. It is a 5-pin hot swap, so don't worry about if your switches will fit. Yeah, and you get hella dampening layers, like you got your gasket mount, case foam, and switch foam. So yeah, don't worry about changing anything about this keyboard, because it already comes with everything that you need. There's basically nothing more you could do to this keyboard other than maybe switching the switches if you don't really like the feeling. Yeah, and then in order to use the software, you just download the JSON file off of their website, and then you go onto VIA, go into settings, show design tab, into your design tab, then drag and drop the JSON file into the design tab, and then you can go back to the configure, pair your keyboard, and then yeah, you can change anything you want. So it is VIA supported as well, which is very good. So yeah, literally feels top notch. YUNZII is really cooking. The aesthetics of the keyboard, like this is just a beautiful keyboard. Like look at the silver aluminum case, we got the white on gray keycaps. Like yeah, this is one sexy keyboard. We even have that little light bar next to the arrow keys. It's a nice little touch. I really like it. It's cute, and it gives a little more personality and futuristic aesthetic to the keyboard. And on the back we have the weight, which is also reflective, which is really nice looking, and the little mountain there. But yeah, and yeah, the keyboard is gasket mounted, so you're not going to miss out on any new typing experience. Super bouncy, feels really good. And the LEDs are also super clean, even though there's no shine through keycaps. Like you can see the LEDs really popping out, which is good because, as you know, I don't really like shine through keycaps, so it's good that the LED is super clean even without the shine through. But yeah, nothing more to say other than this keyboard is literally perfect. Like if you're looking for a 68% keyboard, then yeah, get a YUNZII, because YUNZII really has been cooking, especially with their AL line, which means like aluminum for the casing. But yeah, if you want a super high quality, top of the line, luxury feeling keyboard, I would definitely check out YUNZII. So far they are 3 for 3 for me. Yeah, I can't express this enough. It's just so good. You definitely won't regret getting this keyboard. The only thing which might be a little concerning for some people is the fact that you can't really adjust the height of the keyboard, but for a lot of custom cases and top of the line keyboards, you don't really have that option anyways, like the Tofu. So yeah, you are literally getting a custom keyboard experience, but pre-built and for cheap. It's almost as if YUNZII is just some dude who creates custom keyboards and sells them. Yeah, like you can tell with some companies that even though it's like custom feeling, it's really not. You can tell it's like mass produced and there's not a lot of care that goes into each individual keyboard. But with all the YUNZII keyboards, it's like every single one of them, it feels like there's been a lot of care and attention. And yeah, like the most important thing for mechanical keyboards is your typing experience, and this is just a beautiful keyboard. I cannot stress enough just how good this keyboard feels. It has everything you need: gasket mounted, pre-lubed stabilizers, pre-lubed switches. Stabilizers are consistent all around. Like yeah, like it's just perfect. The YUNZII AL80 and the AL68 are definitely two of the best pre-built keyboards that I've ever tried. It was even comparable to my custom tofu build, so yeah, that says a lot. The AL80 will also be on sale during Prime Day, so definitely check it out then. In the unboxing we have the user manual, a simplified version of the user manual, some extra keycaps, extra switches, a USB-C cable, and a switch and keycap puller. And of course, we have the keyboard itself. But anyways, that's it. See ya.